I hope you can hear me. I'm just messing with the mic constantly because like the audio's been bad with it. Might have to get a new mic. But today I'm on my way to the Cycle Gear out here in North Carolina to get new gloves, if you can tell. Like, look at all these holes in my gloves, like horrible. So I'm gonna see if I can find some new gloves. Oh. But yeah, I'm gonna see if we can find some new gloves. Like, I have these Alpine Stars. I had these for like over 2 years probably, and like they're shredded from like tracking with them, riding canyons, just like dailying with them all the time. Oh, look at this. That's what I hate. Like, people just stop like that. Look at that. In the middle, there's like no turning lane or anything. People just stop to turn. Crazy. You can get hit from behind. You can get like we'll see what kind of gloves they have. I like the gloves to have these like upper like sleeve parts that cover your wrists, like above your wrist. We'll see if we can find some like that. Gloves are a bit pricey, but we'll see. We'll see what they have. So I'm gonna ride over to Cycle Gear. We're like what, 20 minutes away, and then we'll see what they got and take you guys with me. This Tesla has a cool license plate. It says zoom in. Zoom in, that's what we're doing. Zoom in. You're right there. Nice. Let's go see what. That's a pretty big Cycle Gear. I hope they have a lot of selection of stuff. Yeah. Alright, let's go around these guys right here. If I still had my supermoto, I could just like turn around right here through the grass. I can technically do it with this thing, but I mean, the turning radius is whack. Ha! Alright, we are pulling into Cycle Gear. Nice. We have an R6 here. Fresh. Guys, check it out. They have these little motorcycle only spots parking. Look at that. That's so cute. Look at that. Oh no, but I parked. This is gonna be hard to get out up the hill, but it's whatever. Look at that. That's cool though. Little R6 here. That's dope. Let's go inside. How's it going? So these are all the gloves that they got. Let's see what I like. Something along the lines of this. Alright, let's see what I can find. Let me try some on. Alright y'all, so I just left Cycle Gear. I bought these new gloves. They're Sedici. I don't know the model, but they are made of goatskin leather. So they were like the best ones they had, so I feel like they're pretty nice. They fit pretty good, so time to break them in. Should be good. They stretch out and break in a bit. So fire. Feels so nice and fresh. Woo! So sick. These new gloves feel amazing. Let's send it. Look at this. Road, yo. Look at this. This goes on both sides. Oh, that's so good, guys. Look. Oh my god. Here, look. Right here I have a Home Goods, a Petco, Dollar Tree. There's like a TJ Maxx right here too. A bunch of stores. Ross, Ulta Beauty. We'll see what we can find here. I've never been to stores out here that much really, so let's go. Well, I went shopping, I'm all done. I can't really buy anything, I have nowhere to put it, no backpack. Hope you guys like these moto vlogs, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, peace out.